Now, Pakistan has been in political turmoil for more than a year, ever since Imran Khan was ousted as the Prime Minister last year through a no-confidence vote. Now, Pakistan's present most popular politician has been tangled in dozens of legal cases that he claims are all politically motivated and are essentially just fabricated against him. In a bit of a breather, the Islamabad High Court today has suspended the former Prime Minister's conviction and the 3-year sentence that was handed out to him in the Toshakhana case. The Toshakhana case relates to gifts that Imran Khan had received from foreign nations, which he allegedly had bought at cheaper rates and had sold at pretty hefty prices when he was the Prime Minister of Pakistan. The Pakistani politicians have frequently been arrested and jailed since the country's founding in 1947, but few have so directly challenged a military that holds significant influence over domestic politics and Pakistan's foreign policy. The Pakistani military has staged 3 coups in the past and has ruled for more than 3 decades. Political infighting is of course common in Pakistan when no Prime Minister has still not yet completed a full term in office. Pakistan's military has ensured dominance over the political elite during periods of martial law and is guardians of the centrally controlled civilian regimes. All right, now to give us more insights in terms of what, of course, is happening in Pakistan at this moment, we're being joined in by our Pakistan Bureau Chief, Anas Malik, who's joining us on this broadcast. Anas, this is a big breather for Imran Khan, who is convicted in the Toshakhana case. Tell us what's happening there.
Well, yes, absolutely, Saleh. This is indeed quite significant and a relief for Imran Khan in many ways, for the one reason that he can get to walk free now. The High Court, Islamabad High Court, has suspended the verdict in the Toshakhana reference in Toshakhana hearing, and they have also granted him bail, asking and giving orders that he should be immediately be released. Remember, Imran Khan has already also been arrested in 6 more cases while during he was serving the conviction time period, the sentence time period. So his lawyers are hopeful to secure a bail in that as well. With that, Imran Khan has also filed before the High Court seeking any preemptive pre-arrest bills in case of any pending arrest that might be there. So in all likelihood, we might see Imran Khan walking out. For details to be announced later, we are still not certain that the suspension entails to the verdict being annulled, because in case if the verdict is annulled, in all likelihood, the probability of that is very, very lesser. In case if the verdict is annulled, then Imran Khan can contest elections. But with this suspension, right now he is in a position to walk free, but not contest elections. Saleh?
I think that's an important, important part of what this suspension of this sentence, as you pointed out, because the suspension of the verdict does not mean that it has been annulled. And that means he still may not be able to contest the elections, although he may be allowed to walk free. So what happens in this case now, Anas? What legal options will Imran Khan exercise? Will he look to now get this sentence annulled altogether?
Well, we're waiting for a detailed order from the court, because a short order was just announced in the court, a written order. We're awaiting that. That would further clarify and clear the situation around it on what happens next, whether it goes back to the trial court, to the same judge, to a different judge. This is all something that would be clarified in the order of the High Court, in the suspension of the order of the High Court of the for the verdict. And as soon as it's received, then only there will be clarity on the fate of Imran Khan being able to contest elections, and with regards to the political future of Khan as a person as well.
Absolutely, indeed. Do continue to stay on with us, because this is a big breaking development that has just happened in the last few minutes, where Imran Khan, who remember had been inside the prison after he was convicted in the Toshakhana case, is now being granted big relief. The sentence that had been handed out to him, that has been suspended, but it has not been annulled yet. So we expect that Imran Khan could walk out of prison, although he may not be able to contest the elections because the sentence against him has only been suspended. And one quick aspect, if I can bring you in, Anas, on this. What is the government in Pakistan? Because there is an interim government that is presently in place in Pakistan. The elections will, of course, happen sometime next year. There is a long process that is to be awaited before the elections can happen. But what has the government said with respect to the suspension of Imran Khan's sentence so far?
interim government is yet to react to it, but we've previously heard them saying out clearly that whatever the decision of the court will be, they will be respecting that. Just as I talked to you, the former Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has tweeted and has said that has alleged rather that Imran Khan is a favorite of the judiciary, and that the Chief Justice, who had at one point exclaimed and remarked that good to see you to Imran Khan, that message has gone to the Islamabad High Court as well. And he has also alleged, Shehbaz Sharif has also alleged that even before the verdict came, everyone knew what the verdict would be, and that is a challenge for the judiciary. It should be a matter of concern for the judiciary. Then, on the other thing is that Shehbaz Sharif has further gone on to say in his tweet that as definite as Nawaz Sharif's conviction was through a monitoring judge, the fact that the most favorite of the judiciary, which is Imran Khan, for him to be saved, the Chief Justice himself was monitoring, and he was the monitoring judge. This is what Shehbaz Sharif has said in his critique tweet to the judiciary with regards to the release of Imran Khan and the suspension of the verdict of Imran Khan. But largely, this will be seen as a major breather for Khan going forward.
Absolutely, indeed, Anas. Thank you very much indeed for joining us and getting us all those details. It's going to be a busy day ahead in Pakistan, with a lot of reactions, of course, expected in terms of what happens in this case here on. But as things stand, in just the last few minutes, the update that has come in is that Imran Khan, who was spending time inside the prison after his conviction in the Toshakhana case, his sentence has been suspended but has not been annulled. So he may be allowed to walk free, but at this moment, as things stand, he may not be able to contest the elections yet. So it will be very interesting to see as to how things, of course, proceed from here in Pakistan. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.